Cleanup continues, and so do the frustrations after the blizzard. May have been a bust at first, but now it's turning into a real pain, taking up too much space. CBS 2's Raegan Medgie shows us why some people have just had enough.
Streets still lined with snow and cars frozen in time. Traffic and tempers.
This is ridiculous.
Building throughout the city.
Do you think the snow has something to do with all the traffic?
It has a lot to do with it.
In the financial district, CBS 2 having trouble finding a place to park. Seems like Old Man Winter is taking up too many spaces, and not just here either. Still in traffic. Where cars should be are piles of snow and ice. The sanitation department says unlike March winter storms in the past where temperatures warmed up and melted snow, this time it's just the opposite.
The challenge with us this year is that, a March storm usually brings favorable weather afterwards, favorable temperatures. We're not getting that. We've stayed in the teens, we've stayed in the 20s.
Crews did get an early start preparing for the St. Patrick's Day parade. Overnight, an army of snow removers clearing Fifth Avenue.
Some people are still trying to make their way through the slush, the snow, and the ice, and other spots are pretty clear.
While bulldozers are busy on Fifth Avenue filling dump trucks with snow, the rest of the city is also busy digging out. In Midtown, Raegan Medgie, CBS 2 News.